Your marketing team have just come back from an amazing event and they hand you a list of hot leads. They've got names, we've got some job titles, but what's missing are emails and phone numbers. So what use is this list to you as someone who works in sales? Well, using Surfe, you can find the details for all of those contacts, get them in your CRM and start prospecting in just a matter of seconds. I'm gonna show you how. First thing you're gonna do is click the link in the description on this video. That is your link taking you through to the Surfe app. I've talked about, by the way, a couple of these other options on my other videos. Today, we're focusing on this option here, enriching your contacts list. So let's get into it. Click here to enrich CSV. Surfe's gonna prompt you at this point to select a CSV file. Now, this will be something you've exported presumably from your CRM. It doesn't matter in terms of the fields, if there are some that are unfilled, perhaps if there's some old data that's not formatted correctly, Surfe will give you the option to change some of that data once you upload it. For today, I'm gonna download a sample template. You can see there it's gone up into my downloads. So let's select our file. Here we go, people enrich template. I think this has got a few people from Surfe that I'm sure won't mind having their data shared with you here today. Now it's just got the 3 contacts on it here, but you can see you've got your CRM entry field, first name, last name, job title, company name, company website, LinkedIn URL. Now, there's a bit of information here just instructing you what is best practice when it comes to uploading your CSV files into the Surfe app. All Surfe needs is a first name, a last name, and a company name / website. If you can provide and fill in those 3 fields, you're good to go. So ideally, if you're able to input this first field here, this is the entry point in your CRM, you've got your first name, last name. If you can find a job title, if you can find obviously their company name, input the website, and if you have it, their LinkedIn URL, but it's not essential as we're gonna see here. We've got all of the information, we've got all the ticks, everything's green. That's how it should look at the point of enriching. We wanna create list. So come over here, select this button, and you can see here, Surfe has found these 3 people. So you can find the CEO, you can see the head of product, and the partnerships manager. Now what's missing, as you can probably see, is an email and a phone number. And this is one of the best things about Surfe. And by the way, I talk about this in another video. If you want to skip to that right now and find out exactly how you can find any prospect's email and phone number, click here and it will tell you everything you could possibly need to know. But for today, we're going to stay here on this CSV enrichment and come across to the right-hand side. Find all emails and mobiles. Click that button and let Surfe do its thing. This is where we enrich that data with up-to-date verified information for you to contact these leads. And we do this through our Waterfall Enrichment feature. Surfe has access to up to 15 different email providers. And what it does is go through each and every single one of those providers until it returns a successful result. Now, Surfe has something like a 93% search rate success, which means for the most part, it's going to deliver results. And it does it in a matter of seconds. Let's check back in on our CSV enrichment file. We now have contact information for the 3 people on our list, including Surfe's CEO with his mobile number, and you can see his email. So if you have any comments or complaints regarding this video, you know where to send it. What do you do with this data? It's currently in the Surfe app, but it doesn't have to stay there. Firstly, you can download this as a new CSV. How you do that? You just head over to this arrow here, download as CSV, just as easy as that. That goes straight into your downloads folder, ready for you to use. So that's how you enrich and use Surfe's CSV enrichment feature to start prospecting, saving you hours by finding contact information verified and up to date in literally a couple of clicks. Perfect for taking those raw lead lists from marketing and turning them into something useful that you can start prospecting with in a matter of seconds. Check out all of our other videos on the Surfe YouTube channel now and try Surfe for free today using the link in the description.